Civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for the following Texas counties: Rice, Cook, Grayson, Fannin, Lamar, Red River, Titus, Camp, Upshur, Gregg, Rusk, Cherokee, Leon, Limestone, Glennon, Bosque, Somerville, Cook, Parker, Denton, Cullen, Hunt, Delta, Hopkins, Franklin, Wolf, Smith, Henderson, Navarro, Ellis, Anderson. Effective until November 3, 2009, 58 p.m. Central Standard Time. Updated local Amber Alert: missing child from Heartland, Texas. Suspect vehicle is a black 2023 GMC Yukon with Texas license plate. Missing child is Connor Young, 12-year-old black male. Suspect is Dorcas Young, 33-year-old black female. Call Crandall Police Department with information at 469-376-4500. 18 call 911.